Hallo, ek is E.T. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. You and your friend decide to go to a restaurant. This is your menu and you order your food in Afrikaans. You decide to go to a restaurant called Kossies. You arrive, you pick your table and your waiter shows up. And he says, "Middag dames, my naam is David. Baie welkom by Kossies." That means, "Afternoon, ladies. My name is David. Very welcome to Kossies." And one of you replies, "Hallo, dankie." And the other says, "Middag, David. Kan ek so lank vir julle iets bring om te drink? Kan ek so lank vir julle iets bring om te drink?" That means, "Can I bring you something to drink so long?" And then someone replies, "Kan ons asseblief 'n beker water kry vir die tafel? Kan ons asseblief 'n beker water kry vir die tafel?" Which means, "Can we please get a jug of water for the table?" En 2 glase met suurlemoen, baie dankie. That means, "And 2 glasses with lemon, thanks so much." And he responds, "Sal dit al wees vir nou?" Which means, "Will that be all for now?" One of you then says, "Ja, baie dankie." And he says, "Hier is julle spyskaarte. Ek bring so lank die water." Hier is julle spyskaarte. Ek bring so lank die water. And that means, "Here are your menus, and I'll go fetch the water so long." Or "I'll bring the water so long." After a while, the waiter is back, and he asks you, "Is julle reg om te bestel?" Is julle reg om te bestel? Which means, "Are you ready to order?" And then one of you responds, "Kan ons so lank 1 porsie visvingers kry?" Kan ons so lank 1 porsie visvingers kry? Now, side note, we love the word so lank in Afrikaans. We use it quite a lot in casual Afrikaans. And it means, the whole phrase that she just says, means, "Can we get 1 portion of fish fingers so long?" And then the other friend chimes in and says, "En 2 klein bordjies asseblief. En 2 klein bordjies asseblief. Ons gaan dit sommer deel." Which means, "And 2 small plates please. We are going to share it." You and your friend enjoy your shared plate of fish fingers. The fish fingers in this story is a starter. And a starter in Afrikaans is called a voorgereg. Voorgereg. Now once you're done, the waiter comes back and he asks you, "Hoe was die visvingers?" Hoe was die visvingers? Which means, how were the fish fingers? And someone responds, "Dit was heerlik. Dit was heerlik." Which means, it was really good. And then he asks, "Kan ek vir julle nog iets bring? Kan ek vir julle nog iets bring?" Which means, "Can I bring you something else?" Or another thing. And then one of you respond, "Natuurlijk. Natuurlijk." Now, directly translated, that means naturally. But in Afrikaans, the way we use it, it would be the word we use for the translation of course, definitely, yes, of course you can bring something else. So, natuurlijk. And then she says, "Ons gaan nog later nagereg ook eet." Ons gaan nog later nagereg ook eet. Which means, we are still going to eat dessert later as well. So it's a whole mouthful. We are still going to eat dessert later as well. One of you have decided on the fish and chips, and she replies, "Vis en skyfies en 'n bier, asseblief." Vis en skyfies en 'n bier, asseblief. Which means fish and chips and a beer, please. Now, you can also say vis en chips. That's completely acceptable. We use the word chips in Afrikaans, spelled TJIPS. We use it. Skyfies is the word for chips. Skyfies can also be the word for wedges. They will understand what you are saying, whether you use chips or skyfies, they'll know. And then he says, "En vir u," which means "and for you." I is the honorific for you. and the informal is yo. So if the waiter is much younger than you are, or if he doesn't know you at all, or it's a very la-di-da classy restaurant, then he will use e. If he knows you guys, or it's very informal, or you about the same age, he'll use yo more than likely. And then the last lady replies, ek wil die gekrummelde hoender en lemoensap met ys hê, asseblief. Ek wil die gekrummelde hoender en lemoensap met ys hê, asseblief. Which means I want the crumb chicken and orange juice with ice, please. You've finished your lovely meal and the waiter comes back and he asks, dames, kan ek julle borde wegneem? Dames, kan ek julle borde wegneem? Which means, ladies, may I take your plates? So he's asking, can he take the plates back to the kitchen? And you respond, ja, baie dankie. Die kos was heerlik. Ja, baie dankie. Die kos was heerlik. Which just means, yes, thanks so much. The food was wonderful. The food was great. And then the other lady says, kan ons sommer nou nagereg bestel? Kan ons sommer nou nagereg bestel? Which means, can we order dessert now? Sommer, as I've explained in some of my other videos, is a word unique to Afrikaans, and you have to listen a lot to how we use it, because you can't translate that to English. So it's very unique to Afrikaans in the way that we use it. And then he responds, natuurlijk. Wat kan ek vir julle bring? Natuurlijk. Wat kan ek vir julle bring? So he's just saying, of course, you can order your dessert immediately. What can I bring you? Ons wil asseblief 2 stukke kaaskoek hê. Ons wil asseblief 2 stukke kaaskoek hê. Which means, we want 2 slices of cheesecake, please. And then the friend says, kan jy asseblief ons rekening saam met die kaaskoek bring? Kan jy asseblief ons rekening saam met die kaaskoek bring? Which means, can you please bring our bill with the cheesecake? And that just means you don't want to wait to ask for the bill after you're done. You just want him to bring the cheesecake and the bill all in one go so you can eat and pay. And he says, geen probleem, ek maak so. Geen probleem, ek maak so. Which means no problem, I'll do that. And then he comes back and hier is julle kaaskoek en die rekening. Geniet dit. Hier is julle kaaskoek en die rekening. Geniet dit. Which means, here are your cheesecake and the bill. Enjoy. What did you guys think of this video? How was the dialogue? Did you find it helpful? Would you like more like this one? I have more time now. It's winter season, so the swimming is much more quiet. I have more energy and more time, so I can make quite a few more videos than during the summer. So if you guys enjoyed this one, if you find it helpful and meaningful, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have suggestions for topics that you really want me to create dialogue for, also let me know. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.